Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is actually an older video I am publishing now, but it's packed with some cool new stuff from Automation Anywhere. So let's dive in. I'm showing off the AI Agent Studio, a powerful tool that lets you combine Gen AI with human input in seamless way. In simple terms, it allows you to use AI and bots together to make your tasks smoother and more efficient. For this demo, I have picked a pretty fun use case, a quizzes after meeting or a training session. Here is how it works. So after your meeting or training, you get an SRT file. Now, if you are wondering what's an SRT file, it's basically subtitle file. So once I have this SRT file, my bot can read it and automatically generate lots of questions based on the content. To keep it simple, I have downloaded an SRT file from the internet. You might have seen something like this while watching movies. Now, I have uploaded this file into the AI agent platform. Check it out. This is AI agent builder. Here is I have set the bots key and adjusted the complexity level for the quiz. So let's jump right in and see it in action. All right, here is the first screen. So you can set how many questions you want to answer. You can also customize the difficulty level based on what you need in a real world scenario. For example, let's go with easy. Now the bot is processing the information and generating the questions. Here is the first question. How many colors are in a rainbow? I am going to pick 7. Second question. Which animal is known as king of the jungle? Of course, the answer is lion, but for fun, let's go with tiger. And for the third question, how many letters are in the English alphabet? I will choose 26. Now here the scoreboard. I can see that I have got 2 out of 3 answers right. The cool thing here is that you can design this flow however you want depending on the requirements. For example, you could store all the scores in database and then make decisions based on the result. So that's a quick demo of how AI and bots can work together to create something like this. It's simple yet really powerful. Thanks for watching.